So often you need to have multiple Google accounts open. So the way to do this is by clicking on the little icon in the corner that shows your username and then scrolling right down and clicking on Add. What this is going to do is going to open up another window. So then you click on Sign In. You sign into your new account, put in your password. That will open up another window for your Google account. You can see here I've got 1, 2. Here's my Han Solo and here's my Bart Simpson. If you want to add further accounts, click on your username, scroll to the bottom, click Add, and then you can open up further accounts. The important thing to remember is having separate windows for each of your accounts rather than having them on the same window.